Good evening to all. Today I am happy to announce the result of second 2D mathematical modeling competition. Myself Chanchal Das from Das Scientific Research Lab Private Limited. This is a startup company engaged in simplification of advanced mathematical concepts and promoting those advanced mathematical concepts globally. So the second mathematical modeling competition has two problem statements. One is the Watt's mechanism and the second is the 4-bar mechanism. Both are related to kinematics, which is being introduced in class 11. This is a 4-bar mechanism shown in photos as well as a schematic diagram. It can be seen that in a 4-bar mechanism, when the driving crank or AB in diagram rotates at an angle T, the coupler moves in two different paths, BC1 or BC2, and then it reaches to D. So this is shown also diagrammatically. When AB rotates, then the path can be followed ABC1D or ABC2D. This data was given for solving the problem. The data for 4-bar linkages mechanism is given below. There are 4 links AB, BC1, C1D and AD, and AB, BC2, C2D and AD. The lengths of the links are AB is 2 unit, BC1 is equal to BC2 is equal to 3 unit, C1D is equal to C2D is equal to 2 unit, and AD is 3 unit. So the problem statement was you have to model and animate 4-bar mechanism as per the data given above in the MS Excel spreadsheet. No coding or programming is to be used. Even Excel macros or VBA cannot be used. You are required to create the curve traced by the point which is situated halfway and double the length of the link BC1 or BC2 as shown above, and you are required to write the formulas used in the whole process in a Word file and describe the steps followed by the required diagrams. The objective of this process is that in the future any learner should be able to learn the concept of 4-bar mechanism from the document easily. Actually, this is a problem that I am trying to solve. It is very difficult to understand these underground concepts of any mathematical modeling, particularly engineering, science, physics, and medical. So, if we can create a mathematical model, it becomes very easy to understand. So, with that objective, we are creating this sort of modeling competition, and the main objective is to bring awareness that all this modeling can be done without any programming knowledge. So any students from the lower classes schools to doctorate level, anyone can do all these things. So this will be the mechanism, and this is shown. This is, you can say, solution of this 4-bar mechanism, and people are required to model and animate it. So I will show this how we can model and animate it. And there was another problem statement, Watt's parallel mechanism. This Watt's parallel mechanism is a photo is given in left side, and actually it is a famous one. In the 1784, James Watt invented a mechanism called Watt's parallel motion mechanism as shown below. This was actually handwritten by James Watt himself, and as per him, this is his best innovation in his life, even more significant than steam engine. So the second problem was related to that. Here the data of this mechanism is given below. There are 4 links AB, BC, CD and AD. The lengths of the link are AB is 1 unit, BC is 2 unit, CD is 1 unit and AD is the square root of A plus AB plus CD square plus BC square. This was the data given, and you have to model and animate Watt's mechanism as per the data given above in the MS Excel spreadsheet. No coding or programming is to be used. Even Excel macros or VBA cannot be used. You are required to create the Watt curve by tracing the point which is situated halfway in the link BC. You are required to write the formulas used in the whole process in a Word file and describe the steps followed by the required diagram. The objective of this process is that in future any learner should able to learn the concept of the Watt mechanism from this document easily. So this solution diagram also given. This should how it should look like, and this is required to model and animate. So in this program, for 15 students from different IITs, maximum from IIT Madras, and then IIT Dharwad, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhilai, IIT Ropar participated in this, and one from NIT and one school students also participated. But among these 15 participants, only 6 or 7 participants could submit their solutions, and though I'm sorry to say that none of these students could do this correctly. So I'll be now displaying the actual mechanism, how we can model and animate the 4-bar linkages as well as Watt's mechanism. Thank you. So now I am presenting the modeling and animation of 4-bar mechanism. Here we have a mechanism with R1 3 unit, R2 2 unit, R3 3 unit, R4 2 unit. R1 is the base base link length, and R2 is the crank, R3 is the coupler which length is 3, and R4 is the follower. So with this is our 4-bar mechanism, and you can see how it rotates and takes the shape with rotation at different angles. apparently it looks very simple mechanism, but if you consider the concept behind this 4-bar mechanism, it becomes a voluminous book, and you can say it is unlimited. You can go on writing a lot of things associated with this simple 4-bar linkage. You can the origin wise you can start it from the Euclidean time, where Euclid has defined the circle and straight lines. So what is straight lines? And if we start from there, then how to create and define a straight line? This becomes a big subject, and this is one of the other requirements of mechanical engineering or any engineering, where we require a straight line motion. Straight line motion is required many places, and though it is looks very simple, but depending on this length, this mechanism becomes much complex and difficult to understand what happens without modeling. It is very difficult to understand the concept in descriptive mode. In books, we go on reading the concept, and it is very difficult to get a deeper understanding of all those things. But when we model this, it becomes a very simple to understand. So actually, if you see there is a total graphics, then it will be like that. Here you can see that with the rotation, how this here you can observe that when we the crank rotates, then the coupler can take two paths, and this is showing, and accordingly two types of graphs it creates. The midpoint and double the length of the coupler graphs are shown here, and how they are creating is also shown graphically. And this was the problem we required to solve. And now you can see, you in one model you cannot generate all these graphs. It is actually you can say two-way, because one path is showing here in blue color. You see that midpoint takes a lemon-like shape, and then another green line is the other path it follows. Similarly, this yellow path is followed by some path, and this blue path followed by some other path, and both cannot happen simultaneously. There are two options available for any path. So I will be playing again this animation, and for clarity. And all these things has been done in Excel without any programming, macros or VBA. And my observation that I work on even MATLAB also. I work on 3ds Max and Maya and GeoGebra. Lot of other softwares I use, but in Excel, what is the beauty is that every data you input, every calculation formula you provide, and the resultant calculation you can see, and you can graph, and you can easily uh, visualize all those things, and you can detect if these are you can see how symmetric these curves are, and if there is a wrong in calculation, immediately the symmetry will break, and you will find that there is any problem, there is some problem. So these are the beauties in mathematical modeling in 2D, and I have done it for 3D also. I am not giving the 3D problems because 3D problems require some additional things, because there you require to accommodate Z also. In this problem we are not considering Z. So in 2D plane, accommodating 3D elements or three coordinates is a real challenge, and uh, though it is achievable, I have done it. We can do it in MS Excel itself without any additional knowledge. Only thing, you have to know the tricks of how to do that. So this is the solution of forward mechanism, and now I will be switching to quartz mechanism. Now we will explain the quartz parallel mechanism. This is a schematic diagram of quartz parallel mechanism. This shows very simple uh, things, but the uh, difficulty is that it will only move around minus 45 to 135 degree angles. This crank will rotate in between that. So this is the thing, and our problem was to generate the locus of the midpoint of the uh, coupler. So this is done, and beauty is that this midpoint of this coupler uh, moves in a straight line at the center, vertical straight line. So let us see how it works. So these are the mechanism, and you can see that this is the red color is the coupler, and this midpoint is at blue point. So when we move it, you can see that how it is following this graph. Now you see that it is moving in, sorry, this portion is actually straight line portion. You can see that it is moving upwards, and it happens some points where division by zero happens, and there it this is the path it is following. So this is one path, and as we have seen in 4-bar mechanism, the coupler had two options to move, and it creates two paths. Similarly, here also it have the option of moving in two paths. I am here showing the path followed by red color, but if we can also show that similar path will be created in blue color at when we move in other direction, other path. So this is complete graph of the movement of the midpoints, and this part this is, you can see that this is the vertical, uh, this is vertically straight line, and it moves in this path. And in mathematical modeling it is getting distorted due to this zero division, but in actual graph it will not happen like that. So with that, we will be declaring the result. Actually, this time also, the last time we have given a problem of projectile modeling and animation, and none could have done that, and that prize money was 1000 rupees, and nobody got it. And this time also prize money is 5000 rupees, and no one has able to complete the competition. Nobody can model and animate this, and the formulas also not correct, and so this time also there is no winner in this contest. And thank you. We will be declaring our next modeling contest shortly, and I hope that people should start learning this new technique of uh, modeling and animation in using Excel. It will help them in better understanding of mathematical and scientific concepts. Thank you.